Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to take screenshot of email on PC. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to chromewebstore.google.com, and from here use the search bar. So guys, just simply search for scrolling screenshot tool, and from here just simply click on this one, click add to Chrome, add extension, and now you can just simply wait for it to be added into your Chrome. And now once it has been added, go to your email. So guys, from here I have an email example over here. So now in order for you to do this, just simply click on print all, and from here just simply select cancel, and just simply go for the extensions tab and click on this one, and from here go for selected area, and from here you should be able to screenshot and scroll. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and click on save. And after that, it will automatically screenshot. And from here, you should be able to download it right away. And when we open the picture or screenshot, as you can see over here, it has been screenshot what we have captured. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.